Hello everyone, welcome to the quick unboxing of this power strip box. So there is a multi-plug in it, and if you check out the box, here are all the features. So as you can see, there are three USB ports rated 5 volt 3.1 amps, that is 15.5 watts, and there are three USB ports and five sockets, these five sockets, and three USB ports over here. So I'm gonna quickly unbox it, and let's check out the features, take a closer look at here. So as you can see, this is good for keeping your desktop tidy, and good for heat dissipation. There is a main control button or switch right over here, and L-shaped pairs, and supports all kinds of volts, and 5-way power socket with three USB ports. And this says this is smaller and safer design. So if you want to read it out, you can. So basically this type of plugs supports all types of plugs. So I'll just show you that. So and what box, nothing else here or here. So let's unbox it now. I'll just there is a seal right over here, broken or not. So I'll just unseal it and do this. So here is the box. So the quality is not bad. This is definitely plastic, not like rubbery plastic or anything. This is just plastic. And here is the power strip, and this is a 2-pin power strip, 2-pin plug. I thought it would be 3-pin, but it has earthing with it. So let's take it out. This is I'm not sure if this can be taken out or not. I guess this should, or will I break it? I'm not really sure. This is very tight, so I'm not trying to put this out. And the box is itself pretty good quality, so I'll just try with different plugs and show you that if it works with different plugs or not. So as you can see, the cable just processes through over here and goes right out of it. So, and if we want to check out these plugs, this is a US plug. I'll just try to put it in, and just goes like that. And this is a round plug, more used in India or this, so no problem. So I'll just show you the USB ports now. So these are the three USB ports. So let's check out if this supports fast charging or not. As this says that this supports 15 watts fast charging, so I'll just check that out. So as you can see, there is a light over here. Oh, there is a light over here too. As if you can see or not, I'm not really sure. There is a light over here. I don't know what is it for, but there is some kind of lighting. So I'll just show you again. There it is. So I'll just try to show you if it supports fast charging or not. So this is the Xiaomi power brick, which is 18 watts quick charge. So I'll just try it with a phone. So I'm just plugging it in, and this is supporting quick charge. There is quick charge written in here. So I'll just try to use the ports over here. So I'll just try to use the ports. So is it quick charging or not? This is not showing quick charge, I guess, because this is 18, not 18 watt. So I'll try a different phone to show you if that phone supports quick charge or not. So this phone is at 98%. So let's check it out. So charging, this is charging, and no fast charging, I guess. So the phones are not showing fast charging or something like that. So I will just use the Ampere app over here to check out if, although in 98% it won't show quick charge or not. So I guess that's it. I'm not really sure about this one. I will update it in the description or comments if I get quick charge capability, and if I try to put this out, I really cannot do this. So that's it. I got it for only 15 bucks, $15, 15 US dollars. That's like 1300 Bangladeshi taka. So for the price, it's a good deal. So I got this. So that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful if you want to purchase this one or not. So thank you for watching. Goodbye.